Hey guys, I want to apologize for not recording any videos lately. It's because my mic had broke and I just recently got a new one. So now, back to recording videos. And again, like I said, I really do apologize. Thanks for understanding anyways. Let's get back to the tutorials. So now, where did we leave off? We left off at creating an enemy and making him follow the player. So let's go ahead and also make it so the enemies will actually go around each other. There is something really useful in GameMaker called MP Potential Step, which is pretty much going to replace your current AI, which is my favorite thing in GameMaker right now, is MP Potential Step. Let's go get rid of our last one. Oops, sorry, Lua. Been doing Lua for a while, for the past few weeks. So player OBJ. Yeah, okay, so make sure nothing is going to speed. Yeah, alright, nothing is speed, got it. Right here, where we set our speed is equal to 5. Let's go ahead and just get rid of that. Now let's type MP potential step, there we go, and type player.x, player.y. Once we created a player variable up here, so you just use that, .u, .y, and speed, at speed of 5, which is what we was walking earlier, and check all to true. We can change that later, or yeah, let's go and put this to false actually. So that way it only checks for solid objects. So make sure this is solid, and make the player itself solid. No, let's not make the player solid. But now when we go test the game, as you can see, the enemies will actually go around each other. Let me go ahead and where's an enemy? There we go. But yeah, as you can see, they don't do it very well. Let me go ahead and make a patch for that real fast. Now let's go make so that actually the enemy can rotate. So up here, let's get rid of draw self. I'm going to put this code in the description of the video because this is a little bit long. It's a very long line code. So let's type draw sprite ext sprite index image index x y image underscore x scale image underscore y scale image angle. Actually, let's do direction for image angle and image blend. Blend image alpha. Okay. So else two. Did we go ahead and give our enemy a mask yet? Yes, we have. I think. Yeah, we have. Good. Okay. Well, if distance is smaller than 200, MP potential step. Okay. Else. Speed equals to 0. Alright, let's try this out. Okay. Anyways, like I said, let's try this out, see how the enemies work. Yep, now they're falling. Why are you still... No. Bad. Okay, so if it is smaller than 200, it's going to take move towards the player. Hey, I'm going to pause the video, guys. Be right back. Yeah, I'm an idiot. I forgot to tell it, stop moving after... Yeah, I'm going to put this back up here and just quickly revert everything I just did. I had a huge derp moment just then. Let's move back at the speed of 5. So if underscore distance is smaller than 200, or literally type or underscore distance is greater than, let's say, 50, then let's make sure the enemy will move. So let's go ahead and test the game out now. Okay. Anyways, and now why are you doing that? Idiot! I am an idiot. And, not or. Yeah, it's too early in the morning. It's 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the morning for me. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna try to record as many videos as I can today. So let's get started again. So now, I am a derp. Actually, I'm gonna do something else as well. Make it so that way the enemy will also rotate towards the player whenever he's in range. So well, is greater than 50, you'll do this. Oops, gotta put an if. Else, let's make it so he will actually look at the player. So direction is equal to underscore direction. Oops, we did not create that variable yet. Let's actually go and create that variable real fast. Underscore direction is equal to point direction xy player dot x player dot y. Yep, I derped out again. Sorry, guys. Today is just going to be one of those days. Anyways, direction is equal to underscore direction. Let's go and test this out. How far are we in? We are 5 minutes in. Alright. Test this out and see how it looks. So now, once we walk towards the enemies, we are going to make it so that they will look at the player. See? Now they are actually looking at the player. So, yay. Now, let's go ahead and start getting the variable set up for the next tutorial for like player health. So let's go ahead and get that set up real fast. Actually, we're gonna do that in this video of getting drawing GUI and everything. So let's call this one obj controller. Oops. Yeah. Add event create. Let's go ahead and create some variables. Global.hp is equal to, let's say, 100, and global.hpto is equal to 100. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and add the draw event. Draw GUI. Let's go ahead and draw underscore health bar. Let's say at the x of 5, x2 and y2 of, let's say, view w view minus 10, and the height of the y2 of 20. Amount will be global.hp divided by global.hpto times 100. The way it works is it converts the maximum health to a decimal that multiplies it by 100 due to the fact GameMaker's health bars only read between a range of 0 and 100. And the back color will be the back color of the health bar, so C black. Minimum color will be C red. Max color will be C green. Direction will be 0. I don't really recommend messing around with that. Just leave it at 0 by default. It seems to be pretty good to me. So, show back, true. Show border, true. If you do not have show back to true, you ought to be drawing the back color of black. And if you don't have border to true, it will not draw an outline around the health bar, and it will actually go like past the limits of the bar. So, yeah, alright, so now I'm going to save this, I'm going to test this out, and then you can see an example of the health bars. And I forgot to add the object to the room. I am a derp. Like I said, it's too early, guys, I'm sorry. Controller, I'm going to add this to the room. And there we go, now we have a health bar. Woohoo! Alright, so how far are we in? We are 8 minutes in. So guys, this is a good place to stop. Next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to actually apply your health to the enemies to make sure the enemies can attack you. Actually, you know what? I'll just go ahead and do it in this tutorial. Yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and create another variable. Let's call this damage. Call damage is equal to 5. That's because damage is going to do... Actually, damage underscore min. Let's do that is equal to 5, and damage max is equal to 5. Okay, so let's go ahead and... Oh, sorry, hang on, I'm going to pause the video, I'm about to sneeze. Ah! Sorry. Anyways. Also, let's make another variable called can damage, set that to true. So, now let's go ahead and add an alarm 0 event, and put in there, alarm, or can damage is equal to true. This would be our trigger. Sometimes we'll like reset our trigger for letting the player to be able to attack. And also damage rate is equal to how many frames you want it to wait before the player can attack again. So let's say every 10 frames it'll be able to attack again. So let's go ahead and go to the draw event. Just go ahead and quickly just put this into a comment real fast so that we have reference for the variables. And type up here. So if can damage is equal to true, we'll add some fancy attacks in later. But yeah, this is just an example to get it working. Global.hp minus equals round random range, and let's put in damage min and damage max, and put in right here. This one put in our debounce variable to false, and set alarm 0, which is where we had just put our code for resetting the can't damage, to the damage rate. Now, like I said, this will make the code wait 10 frames, or however high you set the attack rate, or low you set the attack rate, to wait for that many frames. Okay, let's go and test this out so we can see if this works. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the enemy. And now as you can see, we're actually losing health, and it fades to red. Oh crap, they're actually doing a pretty good amount of damage. Okay, guys, I say this is a good spot to cut off the video, guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Adios!